Good afternoon, profitable traders. Welcome to the New York market color session for today, being the 31st of October 2025. So good to have each and everyone of you around. So majorly, this is just going to be a recap of what was analyzed during the market color session. You have a contrary bias to everything that we'll be saying here. Please do feel free to type in the chat box or mute yourselves and speak. So we're just going to look at what was said and what played out. So for the DXY weekly time frame, our analysis still holds. We just want to see price retrace right back into the left shoulder at 107.581. And coming down to the daily time frame, we're actually looking out for price to clear out the high residing at 99.130, and price has already traded above. Coming down to the 4-hour time frame, right, for a period of time, we've been looking out for price to clear these highs, this double top, because there's liquidity residing above, and that's exactly what price has done. Price has cleared the liquidity, and we're seeing some moves to the upside. Coming down to the 1-hour time frame. In 1-hour time frame, we're actually looking out for a retracement, for price to retrace right back into this left shoulder, residing at 98.389, and that hasn't happened yet. It's narrowing down to the much lower time frames. Price has only been stalling, and we've not seen price fulfilling our orders on the DXY. On DXY rather, I beg your pardon. Weekly time frame for Euro USD still stands. There's still room to the downside. All we want to see price do is for price to trade into this fair value gap, and eventually, which coincides with this left shoulder right here at 1.06748. And coming down to the daily time frame, of course, we're seeing structure to the downside. We want to see clear of this low moving forward, the low at 1.3852. And on the 1-hour time frame, price has just been selling. So we came down to the 5-minute time frame, and we said we wanted to take the sell of DXY once price retraces right back into this left shoulder. Price came into the zone, even traded above this high, right? We didn't exactly see price react to this left shoulder, but it still sold. So if you had entered when price got to this level right here, right, you wouldn't have been stopped out. You wouldn't have been stopped out, and the market would have been in your direction if you were in this trade. Basically, it kind of played out because this wouldn't have even stopped us out if we had taken the trade opportunity. And on GBP USD, I don't know if anybody did take the trade, the sell of Euro USD. On GBP USD, right, the weekly time frame, we actually were looking out for price to trade right back into the left shoulder at 1.24771. It still stands because this is the weekly time frame, so it's going to take place over a period of time. And coming down to the daily time frame, let's see what price has for us. Price has just been selling. Euro USD is yet to take out the low on the daily time frame, but we've seen GU doing just that. GU has taken out this low right here, the low at 1.32026, but EU is yet to do that. That's indicative of the fact that there's still more room for Euro USD to sell all the way to the downside. Coming down to the 4-hour time frame, more bearish. We're seeing more bearishness rather. We're seeing even more bearishness on the 4-hour time frame, on the 1-hour time frame also. For the 4-hour time frame, I was looking to see if there's a place we could fib from, but there's none. We're just seeing if you are buying in this market, you are wrong, except maybe you're just catching retracements. You just want to buy until price gets to premium and then you sell off when price gets to premium. But coming down to the 5 minutes time frame, we also said that this was the markup we had early this morning, that price was going to retreat right back into the left shoulder and sell off that point. That didn't happen, right? We didn't see price exactly retrace right back into one spot 31537 on the 5 minutes time frame for GBP USD. All we saw was price just tapped into this fair value gap right here. This week right here, indicative of the fact that price just tapped into the fair value gap and we saw more push to the downside. So into even next week, I'm still looking out for sell opportunities on GBP USD and Euro USD. Any retracement to a premium level, because we always want to sell high. If I spot any retracement right there, I'm shorting Euro USD and I'm shorting GBP USD. So right, this is just basically the recap of what was analyzed during the London session and what played out during the day into the New York session. So this is a good place to ask questions. If you have questions from everything that has been said, please feel free to type in the chat box and we'll be attending to those questions that you have. All right, while you're doing that, registration for the FX Scam training is currently ongoing. Send us a message on 081 6099 5030 to make your registrations. Thank you, peeps. Don't lie. I hope you're still trading your account. You're the same person as Living Sacrifice, right? Your prop account. That's nice. I hope you're killing the markets. I really hope you're milking the markets dry. All right, with that being said, we've come to the end of today's analysis. See you all by 8:30 a.m. on Monday, God's willing. So, thank you very much. Cheers and God bless. Oh, that's nice. I took GUCL2 for a long time and it just took profit recently, just this week. Well done, sir. That's massive and it's been selling. You're a swing trader. That's really nice. That's really, 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 really amazing, sir. Thank you, thank you, thank you. See you on Monday. Make sure you're around. Cheers and God bless.